The Ocean Cleanup was founded with an ambitious mission: to rid the oceans of plastic and recycle it. After launching a cleanup system that effectively captured plastic and the interceptor to stop plastic from entering the ocean, now with your help, we can take our plan full circle. This is how it works. Our team cleans plastic out of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. To certify the plastic's origin, the plastic is weighed, tagged, and sealed, then brought to shore. Here, the plastics are sorted by polymer type, before recycling it into granulate. An independent accredited laboratory ensures the material meets all necessary safety and material standards. Working with renowned sustainability designers, we come up with a timeless and recyclable product design. Our first product? Sunglasses. With the material and design ready, the sunglasses are ready to be manufactured and shipped to our supporters, people who have given this plastic a second chance. Because we are a non-profit, 100% of the proceeds will go back into continued cleanup operations. And here's the impact. For every pair of sunglasses sold, we estimate that we can clean the area of 24 football fields worth of trash in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, cleaning up more and more plastic with every product line, going full circle until we have achieved our mission: ridding the world's oceans of plastic.